How to connect my Cricut to my computer. Connect via USB. Step 1. Connect one end of the USB to the computer and the other end to the Cricut machine. Step 2. Next, power on the Cricut machine. Step 3. Now, cricutdesignspace will automatically detect your Cricut machine. Connect via Bluetooth. Step 1. Click on the Windows search bar. Step 2. Search for Bluetooth and open Bluetooth and other devices settings. Step 3. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. Step 4. Click Add Bluetooth or other device, then select Bluetooth in the Add a Device window. Step 5. It'll start searching for devices to connect with. Step 6. Select your Cricut machine and it'll start connecting. Step 7. When you're prompted to enter the pin you've set up. Step 8. If you have not set up a pin, enter the default, which is 0000, then click Connect. Step 9. Once it says your device is ready to go, click Done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.